Welcome back to the channel, guys. I am giving away a $500 lifetime membership to SimpleAlgo. All you have to do to enter this giveaway is subscribe to the channel, like this video, and comment your TradingView username. And in the next video, I'm going to pick a random commenter to win. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you everything you need to know about SimpleAlgo version 3 and why you need to start implementing it into your trading strategy. To start off, SimpleAlgo tells you the best times to buy and sell for any stock, crypto, forex, commodity, any market. You can use it on any time frame and any market. And the way it works is that these signals are adjustable. So if you double click on any of the signals, your settings tab is going to pop up and you're going to be able to adjust the sensitivity of the signals. So the higher the sensitivity, the less signals you're going to get, but the more accurate these signals are going to be. The lower this number is, the more signals you're going to get, but the less accurate it's going to be. The next feature I want to showcase is the automatic risk management feature, which is going to help you manage your risk. It's going to tell you the best times to enter, where to put your stop loss, and the best place to put your take profit levels. So this way you're always risking less than your potential reward. And that's what trading is all about. If you're always risking less than your potential reward, you will be profitable. You will be able to get away with a lower win rate percentage, but still be profitable. At the end of the day, you don't want to be like most beginner traders where you can take 5 successful trades and then the 6th trade will be a losing trade and it'll wipe out all your profits of the day. When you practice proper risk management, that will never happen to you. You'll actually be able to afford to lose more trades. Then we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 different features inside of the indicator. The first one is this trend trail, and this one is pretty self-explanatory and easy to use actually. When candlesticks are trading below a red trend trail, that means you are in a bearish downtrend. And when candlesticks are trading above a green rising trend trail, then you are in a bullish uptrend. And you can pair this trend trail with the buy-sell signals and use the trend trail as confirmation to find better trading opportunities. So for example, right here, you can see that the candles were trading above the green trend trail and we had a buy signal. So this is a trade I would normally take. The next feature we have here is pretty simple. We have the SimpleAlgo dashboard. It's going to give you some basic information, the trend strength, the volume, the volatility, and the overall direction of the trend. Then we have one of my favorites. It's the reversal bands. And this one works best in a consolidated market. As you can see, when candlesticks drop down to the green reversal bands, that means that the market is oversold and that it is likely to bounce back up. And when it reaches the red reversal bands, that means that the market is overbought and is likely to reverse back down to the green reversal bands. So when you're trading in a sideways market, this can be a very useful tool. And when you're trading in a trending market, the trend trail is probably going to be more of your friend. The next one is also one of my favorites. It will draw out support and resistance lines for you automatically. So if you are one of those support and resistance traders, you no longer have to waste your time charting out support and resistance lines because SimpleAlgo will do it for you. We have the trend energy feature, which basically works similarly to the trend trail. You would ideally use this in a trending market and use it as a confirmation alongside the buy and sell signals. Same thing with the trend ribbon. This one is better for scalping. So if you're a trader that takes hundreds of trades per day and they're very short-term trades, you can use this trend ribbon to find entries and exits, or you could even use it as a stop loss. Then we have the show reversals feature, which is going to print these little diamonds on your chart whenever the AI detects that there is a possibility of a potential reversal. Show previous day's high, low, and close. I'm not even going to open that one because it's pretty self-explanatory. Show swing points. This is another good one. It's going to print out the lower lows, lower highs, higher lows, and higher highs for you so you can easily identify a change in trend. And then last but certainly not least, I use this one the most, It's show EMAs, and it allows you to put up to 3 different exponential moving averages on your chart. And it actually doesn't have to only be an exponential moving average. You could choose from a bunch of different moving averages, volume weighted, simple moving averages, whatever. The reason we added this into the indicator is because a lot of people love to use moving averages when they trade, but they don't have TradingView Plus. TradingView Plus is basically a TradingView subscription. Without it, you can only have up to 3 indicators on your chart at once. We put all these indicators inside the one indicator, so you don't need to purchase a premium TradingView plan. It makes things very easy for you because that is our goal, is to simplify trading and make your life easier. And then finally, I'm going to explain how the premium oscillator works. So if you double click the premium oscillator, it has a bunch of settings, and I actually disabled all of them except for the money flow length, but I'm going to enable them back again real quick just so you can see what it looks like with everything enabled. And basically, it's an advanced tool. It'll show you divergences, reversal points, and there's a lot that goes into this stuff. But honestly, the simplest way to use this oscillator is to disable the main length, disable show divergences, disable everything except for the money flow length, and keep it at 35. And basically just use it as confirmation. So if you get a sell signal, make sure that the oscillator is also red. And when you get a buy signal, make sure the oscillator is in the green. And if it is, then that's just added confirmation that you should take the trade. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I am working on making more strategy-based videos and simple algo guides. Let me know what video I should make next down in the comments below. Don't forget to enter that $500 lifetime membership giveaway, and I'll see you guys in the next one.